Mantras have been a cornerstone of spiritual and cultural practices for thousands of years, originating from ancient civilizations such as Hinduism, Buddhism, and even Christianity. These short, powerful phrases have been used to focus the mind, calm the spirit, and connect with a higher power. From the iconic Om Mani Padme Hum to the simple yet profound I am enough, mantras have been a tool for personal transformation across cultures. Life can be overwhelming. We're constantly bombarded with stress, negativity, and uncertainty. Many of us struggle to find direction, feeling lost in a world that's moving at an incredible pace. I've been there too, feeling anxious, uncertain, and stuck. But what if I told you there's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you navigate these challenges? Daily struggles can creep into our minds and dictate our emotions. We wake up feeling drained, dreading the day ahead. Our minds are filled with negative self-talk, and we struggle to shake off the feeling of inadequacy. This negativity can seep into our relationships, work, and overall well-being. It's like being stuck in a rut, with no clear escape route. The good news is that you're not alone in this struggle. We've all been there at some point or another. The question is, what can we do to break free from this cycle of negativity? Mantras can be a powerful tool to help us shift our mindset and find peace in the midst of chaos. Mantras can be used in various ways, from meditation to daily affirmations. Some people use them as a focal point for their meditation practice, while others incorporate them into their daily routine. For instance, repeating a mantra like I am calm and centered can help calm your mind and reduce stress. I've personally experienced the positive impact of mantras in my life, and I'm excited to share some of my favorite ones with you. One of my favorite mantras is I am capable and confident. It's short, simple, and incredibly powerful. Whenever I feel uncertain or doubtful, I repeat this mantra to myself, and it instantly shifts my mindset. Another example is the mantra breathe in calm, breathe out stress. This one helps me stay present and focused, even in the midst of chaos. The mantra I'll be sharing with you today has been a game changer for many people. It's called the morning mantra, and it's incredibly simple. All you need to do is look in the mirror, take a deep breath, and say to yourself, today is a new day, full of new opportunities. Repeating this mantra every morning can help you cultivate a positive mindset and set yourself up for success. The science behind mantras is rooted in the power of repetition and intention. When we repeat a mantra, we're essentially reprogramming our minds with a positive message. Over time, this repetition can lead to a profound shift in our mindset and behavior. By incorporating mantras into our daily routine, we can develop a more positive and resilient mindset. Incorporating mantras into your daily life can have a profound impact on your well-being and personal growth. By committing to a daily mantra practice, you can develop a more positive mindset, build resilience, and navigate life's challenges with greater ease. Mantras can be a powerful tool for transformation, and I'm excited to share this journey with you. If you've been inspired by this video, I want to hear from you. Share your favorite mantras in the comments below, and let's build a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to personal growth. If you're interested in learning more about mindfulness practices, be sure to check out my next video, where we'll explore more techniques to help you cultivate a positive and resilient mindset.